Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of fixing an issue with your HP docking station, not charging your laptop. So we will provide you some step-by instruction on troubleshooting and resolving this common issue and common problem. So by following our expert advice, you will be able to identify the root causes of this issue. So and implement the necessary solution. So don't let a non-charging docking station hinder your productivity any longer. So watch this video to learn to and how to fix it. Now let's begin. But before that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our more YouTube channel for further information. Now let's begin. So here are the solution. First, we have to take in connect power cord directly to your laptop. If the laptop is not charging when connecting to the dock, unplug the power cord from the dock and so you have to plug the power cord directly into the laptop. Turn on the laptop to see if it charges properly or not. If it does, so then it means the issue may be with your docking station. And now we are going to solution 2. So solution 2 is update firmware and driver. So first we have to visit the HP website and now search for your specific laptop model and docking station. Simply scroll down, you have to, and now they have to find in this section download drivers. Click on this, and then you have to wait. And now we have to choose. We are using to laptop or printer, like we have created to others because we are update our docking station. So now let's begin. You have to type your serial number is beside in the device printed. So you have to type on the serial number. After this, you have to follow the prompt to download your driver in your HP docking station. Download and install the latest firmware and driver for your laptop and docking station. So restart your laptop and docking station to ensure that changes take effect. Now let's go to solution 3. So here are the solution 3. Verify compatibility. Verify that the docking station is compatible with your specific laptop model. You can find this information with the HP website in the user manual. So if the docking station is not compatible, so consider purchasing a compatible docking station or using a different charging method for your laptop. Now we are going to solution 4. Reset the controller. Shut down the laptop completely and disconnect all cables and peripheral from the laptop, including the power coded USB devices and any other connection. So press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds to reset the embedded controller, and now reconnect the power cord to the laptop. So turn it off. And then you have to laptop should now charge through the docking station. So these are the simple solutions you have to take in when you tackle the problem of your HP docking station not charging laptop. Thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for this issue and we will catch you in our next video.